Are you a procrastinator? Years ago, ancient Greek philosophers like Socrates and Aristotle used to fuss about something called akrasia. Akrasia in Greek literally meant lack of self-control. Akrasia happens when people choose not to do something even when they know it's the right thing to do. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? In the modern world, we often refer to this phenomenon as procrastination. Procrastination is the act of putting off work for later despite knowing how it needs to be done right away. We all have found ourselves postponing a task like finishing our school homework or cleaning our room. According to behavioral psychology, procrastination does not just arise from laziness, but has some science behind it too. The human mind often seems to choose those tasks that offer us instant rewards over tasks which promise rewards in future. For example, playing a video game often appears more appealing than studying for an exam. Set small goals and promise yourself rewards like some playtime once you have finished your work. Working in groups can also be fun and takes the boredom away from chores. Please like, share and subscribe for more of such interesting videos.